try so many different internet marketing tactics on their stores, but it can get overwhelming. For them, we have listed our top complete internet marketing strategies that you can use on your e-commerce website. Use visual discovery platforms to showcase your store products. Posting professional-grade pictures of your best products on visual discovery platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, is a great way to drive interest for your brand and your offers. It is also a very cost-effective way of promoting the products in your store. It is free to upload your product pictures to Instagram or Pinterest, and you can attract plenty of qualified traffic by adding relevant hashtags to all your product posts. The key is to upload compelling photos to feature your products in different scenarios, to use hashtags strategically, and to stick to a publication schedule. By adding attractive product pictures to your visual discovery posts and encouraging users to learn more about your products by visiting your product pages, you'll be using these platforms to increase traffic and sales. Launch a Facebook store. You can use Facebook to drive interest about your products and to encourage direct visits to your product pages. You can easily add a store tab to your Facebook business page where you can showcase all the products in your online store. Each time when users click on one of your products, they'll see a call to action button encouraging them to buy it on your store. Use exit intent technology. You can add an exit intent pop-up to your e-commerce store as part of your email marketing efforts. You can use exit intent pop-ups to offer time-sensitive discounts to abandoning visitors, instructing them to join your mailing list to receive their discount code. Offering a significant discount that is between 25 to 30% can help you achieve two objectives. First, it helps you drive a quick, easy sale from a visitor that wasn't going to convert otherwise. And two, you can get a new email subscriber to nurture. Add live chat. Potential customers want to get answers right away. Most of the people that enter your store will leave if they can't find an answer to a question that they might have about your products or services. To avoid losing potential customers because of this, we recommend you to implement live chat on your online stores. This creates an additional communication channel that is immediate. Promote user-generated content. One of the most effective ways to build social proof and trust in your brand is by encouraging existing customers to take and share pictures or videos of them using your products, or the final results of using one of your services. Then ask them for permission to share them yourself on your social media channels and tag them in your posts. This will help you to show actual people using and loving your products, and will expose your brand to your customers' followers, increasing your reach.